In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together the A4 sewing pattern. So once you've printed it out, and I have done mine in colour, I just find it easier to see which lines are which, particularly when you've got multiple sizes that you're dealing with in the pattern. So you will notice throughout the video I've just printed 3 sizes, but you get 7 in your pattern. And we're going to firstly stick together A2, A3 and A4. I'm not going to worry about the grid page, sticking that to anything. And then we're going to stick together B1, B2, B3 and B4. And we don't have to worry about lining up the vertically, sort of, for example, A1 to B1 or A2 to B2, because we don't have any overlapping pieces. So this one is a relatively easy one to assemble.